Hi guys, Nikisha Evans. I'm here from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I must say that I'm not excited to start this journey with research. Um, I had last, which was my second to last class in my bachelor's degree that dealt with research methods. However, looking at the terminology from this course, it looked like it's completely different. My research method was basically more so finding the information and citing it, which was awesome because we got to pick our own topic and discuss about it. This one right here seems more so about variables and data and a whole bunch of other foreign language that I'm just not used to talking about or seeing. I am not it, and I don't think anything can make this process fun for me. However, I am um, more so happy about our group project. All of the groups that I had so far while attending Widener has been awesome. They're very supportive. We help one another. And we became awesome friends at the end of each course. Looking at the syllabus, nothing stands out. I see a lot of time management. I see stressful days, pulling out my hair, rolling my eyes. Um, However, once I start getting into it, usually it's not as bad as what I think. Like I said, it's just the language that's making it very foreign. Um, so I hope to enjoy each other's feedback. Not enjoy. I look forward to each other's feedback. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you and listening to your icebreaker. So see you on the other side.